In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your opponent's rating on chess.com on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. No matter what device you're on, you're going to want to start on the home page of chess.com, whether it's on the app or the home page. And what you're going to want to do is just look down in the bottom left corner, select this little settings gear and hit all settings. This is going to take you to your settings. If you're on mobile, you have to hit like the little like more option and then you're going to see settings on here. That's how you get in the settings tab. But once you are in settings, what you're going to want to do is look for the option that says interface, just like so. This is called play on mobile for whatever reason. But now once you're on here, you're going to want to scroll down and find the option that says show player ratings during game and just turn it off. As soon as you go ahead and turn it off, you'll see a little check mark over here indicating that it's going ahead and saved already. So you don't have to worry about saving anything. But from here, all you have to do is just exit out of your settings and you're good to go. It really is as simple as that. As soon as you have this turned off, you will not be able to see any of your opponent's ratings while playing. But that is how you can hide ratings here on chess.com. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.